Hi everyone, it's Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. So I am going to do something new today. I work at a plastic cap company and decided to root around old plastic caps and see what I could find, and I came up with this little guy and I thought, alright, I'm going to try it. So I've chosen my colors. I'm going to put this down as a base. What I'm trying to do is get rid of these paints, to be honest with you. Because they have Liquitex in it. I don't plan on using Liquitex in my next batch of paint. I plan on using Floetrol, which I've already purchased. So I have leveled these, believe it or not, and then it just seems unleveled to me, but I have leveled it. Oh, did you see that? I can be clumsy, I tell you. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour down some paint to allow this to go, and I'm going to flow a little nicer, and I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to check and see what it might be like if I do certain sections. So if I start pouring like this, for example, and it looks like it's moving to the center, which of course is not good, as you know. It needs to flow outwards. So I'm thinking, what can I do now? And I have the solution that I did once before, except this seems higher to me today. Maybe anyways, I'll try it. So I'm just going to pull this up. Just going to try and make the, there. Okay, so let's just continue so we don't lose any time on this. I have very few of these, or very little of some of these paints left, as you can tell as it spurts out like that. I have no idea what this is going to create, if it's going to be any good or not, but we will see. That is, that's what it's all about, I suppose. I started getting into this a while ago. Really enjoyed some of the people's out there. Their artwork is just so gorgeous, and I just had to be a part of it. Look at me, I'm trying to figure out what did I say? A little bit clumsy. Now it doesn't seem to be flowing out as nicely as I would like. But at the end of the day, we will find out if it's any good or not. And it looks to me like it's actually muddying up, but we will see. We will see. So, as I said, I'm trying to use up the most of this as I can. Some of these I just won't end up using all, but like stuff like this. This is one of my favorite colors. It is Peacock Teal, I believe, Art Deco. And there's another one of my favorite colors, and this is Icy Blue Metallic Art Deco, and it is done. That is good. I have managed to do 2 of them. I planned on doing more. Maybe this guy can go too. And to me, I'm going to be very honest, what it looks like to me is that the paint is sitting right underneath this contraption. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to lift it soon, and we will see what we get. I just don't know. What do you guys think? This is weird, right? Probably shouldn't have ruined a canvas, but at the same time, you got to try what you got to try. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this up very slowly and see what that does. The bubbles. Got some massive bubbles in here. There we go. Gonna go ahead and do some tilting. I don't know. It looks a bit strange to me. let me just show you a little bit about what I mean. I was going to torch this first. I should probably do that. So I haven't been in this type of artwork for very long, to be honest with you, to do the fluid paints. But people like Mixed Media Girl and Molly's Artistry really got me into it. I have done a lot of craft work throughout my my life. It just seems to run in my family. We just love being artistic, and so we do a lot of this different stuff. And I really like the acrylic pouring, so I decided to do a little bit more. Now I'm just going to, you know what, instead of, I'm going to go ahead, and this is the color I put around it, so I need it to flow maybe a bit better on the canvas. I wish my hands were a little bit steadier so I wouldn't have these little like spots in here. There we go. Oh, see, I went and made another spot. It's like, hey, cut it out. Cut it out. I don't mind admonishing myself. Better me than someone else. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt. I know that it's a little difficult for you to see, but I think I got enough paint on. I know when I tilt it this way, you barely get an opportunity to take a look. And of course, I'm going to bring this back. And then I'm going to try and go over the sides a little. This is very strange looking. I don't see any kind of pattern really in it, which is weird. So just going to come down here, bring it back. They bring it back so your pattern can kind of stay, and I'm looking at it thinking, what pattern? But I watch all the tutorials because I want, anything I do, I want to be good at it. Sorry guys, here, let me try and bring it over this way. And being good at something means you need lots and lots of practice and training. So I've done some artwork, as you might have noticed from my channel. But more than that, I have watched other people do their artwork, which I absolutely love watching. Every day I'll be watching this stuff. So I'm just trying to get some stuff off the edges here. I'm not sure what initially I was supposed to be going with for this, except to see what our cap at Plasticap, that's the name of my company, it could create. It's just having a bit of a hard time down there. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna throw a little bit more, and off we go. There we go. All you needed is a little help. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my corners up now. I don't know. I'm taking a look at it and I'm still not sure what I'm supposed to be feeling about this painting. I'm not sure if it's because it really doesn't look like anything. I think I'm gonna just bring it back a little bit this way. I know, here, let me bring it back a little this way to get some more of those little bits. And I love the blue, so let's just do that. See if that makes any real difference in the picture. Sometimes you can over tilt. I have learned that lesson too. Oh, I stuck my finger in it. My finger's like, well, haven't you got the rest of your fingers in it? The truth is, yes, I do. I am completely filthy, for the love of art. But I'm actually really liking it. I'm sorry if I've put my hand in any direction that has caused you not to be able to see what's going on. Alright, well, I've done it. Making sure that we have all of the spots covered. And we do. So now you're probably asking, oh, that's great. That's really wonderful. How are you going to turn off the camera? And I'm going to be quite honest with you. I haven't figured that out yet. Maybe my pinky. Uh-oh. Can't be my... Maybe this pinky. This pinky is clean. So there we have it. Let me take a look at what you're seeing. Okay. All right. Well, let me know. This really didn't... This little shedang-a-dang didn't really do much as a pattern. But I still do love these colors. I mean, they are beautiful. And I did, for the first time, pretty much get everything off the sides. That seems to be a problem with mine because I don't like to use a whole lot of paint. I like to preserve as much paint as possible, so I've noticed I haven't been putting enough paint onto the canvas to be able to flow as nicely. See, I'm liking this part here, and I'm loving this blue. I think there's a hair in there. Really? No, don't make me do it. Well, if there was a hair in there, maybe I covered it now. I don't know. But, okay, so that's it. I don't know what we kind of call this cap. I think it comes from those beads, the scent beads, and they have it underneath, and we just so happen to do the caps for that. And I thought, dang, this is going to be neat. But I think that the problem is there's a lip on it. There's a lip on here, and that's why I initially went this way. I probably should next time try it this way and see how that works. But, well, it's too late to do that now. Tell me what you think, guys. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Was it worth it? Do you love the colors? Like, some of these colors are just gorgeous. Anyways, thank you for watching. As always, it has been a pleasure, and we will see you soon. See you next time.